Everyone, this is Chris Burns from Android Community.
We're going to go through a little bit more of HTC Sense 4.0. This is on the HTC One S. And what we're going to do here first is show you one of many different kinds of lock screens you can have. Now what I've got here is it's keeping up, this usually has a list of several, right now it just has one. It's keeping up with a list of productivity. Now what I'm seeing here is several things from Facebook. You can see that it says April Fool's Day. Andy Selstrom has a birthday coming up. Christine Anderson has a birthday as well. I can cycle through these as fast as I want, and if I want to find more information about those, I'll take that and drag it down to the ring here. Now instead of doing that, I'm actually going to bring you into phone. I'll do that again. I just hold on to it, drag it into the ring. There you have it. Next thing we're going to look at here is in favorites. Again, you might have seen from a previous video, this folder right down here is created by HTC, but we can make one ourselves if we wish. Let's go ahead and make that one right now. If we hold down in gallery, we can move it onto camera, and poof, we have our own folder. Now if I want to get rid of that folder, I'll just take gallery back out, pop it over there, and there's no more folder. That's similar. That comes from Ice Cream Sandwich. Is integrated in all new HTC devices with Ice Cream Sandwich as well, with Sense 4.0. In favorites, next thing I want to look at is personalize. This is the sort of thing that's been with HTC for some time now, but again, it is upgraded with Ice Cream Sandwich and Sense 4.0. Now, several things you can do here is you can tap home screen. Now, what this does, it brings you into your widgets, so you're able to add widgets to all your different screens like that. Another way to get to this screen is to find an empty area, like I can tap up here, hold it down, if I can get it to go here. Actually, let's do this again. Tap that in there, make sure we have an empty space, and hold down, and we can get to the same place. Pretty cool. Now normally, Ice Cream Sandwich in its vanilla form, if you do that same thing where you hold down the screen, it'll bring you into wallpapers. HTC has, perhaps really smartly, switched it up so that to get to wallpapers you have to go back into that personalized place, whereas the thing you're going to be changing much more often is your widgets, that being given to you this way. So you're getting to do widgets like that. Next, for personalize, you're able to show launch bar shortcuts. That's what you saw right at the beginning where I was dragging those little shortcuts down into there. We'll keep that green checked because we do like that. Lock screen style, we can switch it from productivity, which is what we'd have, which is it shows those different updates. Now if I were to have more listed out like that, they'd be coming from email, from messages, from phone, etc. Wallpaper is just plain, nothing on there. Next we have photo album. Now I'll just fly photos around in sort of a wave there. Friend stream has more updates. This is just coming from Facebook and Twitter. Next we have weather. I'll just show you the weather that we just saw a minute ago from AccuWeather. Next we have people. That's similar to two of the other ones. That's just showing you sort of your contact list if you want to go straight from there. Clock shows you a nice big, hand watch there. And then stocks. Stocks will show you floating stocks in and out, again from Yahoo Finance. Now we're going to stick with what we already have, so we won't change anything here. For wallpapers, you have a very similar screen to what you've already seen in Android, where you get wallpapers in gallery and HTC wallpapers, so we'll skip that for now. Skin. Skin is very similar to scene. Now, there's not much different between the two, but if you go into skin here, you're able to see that you can change sort of the look of all the screens, which is, you change, for example, you're changing the dock down here, it's black, here it's aluminum, here it's serene. That changes the tops and bottoms of your screens as well as the wallpapers right away. Now, if you go into scene, you're able to change from HTC to social to work. Now what this is doing is it's changing the things, like the actual things that are on your home screens. So if you are actually wanting to use one sort of setup at home and then another one at work, it'll work really nice. You can also get more. This is similar for all the HTC personalization sort of things. Let's see if we can get new stuff here. There might not be any new ones right now. Nope, not at the moment. So you can also check menu, see if we can add new. You can delete things and you can rename things all you want. Do whatever you want in here. And that's it for personalize. You can also change sounds. You can change it. You have HTC Sense sounds. You can get more, again, change it up. You get ringtones, notification sounds, and alarms. All of this is included right here and personalize. Now this personalize can also be found in your apps drawer down here. You can find it right there, or again in your folder here. You also have HTC Hub. If we tap into there, you'll find that this location is it's very similar to what you see in the Google Play App Store, but it's things that HTC recommends specifically that'll work perfect on your device. Developers work straight with HTC to get their applications on this list, and most of them are free, so that's pretty cool. Tap out of here. Also check out, what else do we want to check out here? Go to the internet quickly here. Just to show you how quick it works. Rocking up and down. Let's find slash gear here quickly. Right there. Slash gear. Tap in quick. We're going to also find Android Community in a moment. Now, one thing I want to show you here first with this one is that HTC has set up this web browser to work awesome in that it's made to work in a desktop mode, but also in a sort of mobile mode. Now what I mean by that is normally if you would tap into here, you'd have to scroll back and forth to see images and then see the text, and it's you may have to change your orientation like that. But what HTC has done here is make it a lot easier by kind of smashing it in for you. So wherever you are, if I were to go over here, if I go back out, you can see it kind of pushes it in for you automatically. So that's pretty cool. Much easier browsing on all web pages.